5:30. No rain yet. Not too bad. I don't have to go too far out, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's calm before the storm, I think, but maybe the fish will be on. Let's see what happens. Still got that east wind, but like I said, I could put up with this. This is what it was like yesterday morning when I started, and then it just got a little too choppy for my liking. It wouldn't hold, the anchor wouldn't hold anyways, and as you can see, I've got some chain and a claw anchor, so we'll just have to push those back. And my bucket for all my safety stuff's in there, rope, light, whatever. It's amazing what you still need for safety wise on these things when they come and check you out, but hey, better safe than sorry, right? So I got my wet gloves here, probably from yesterday still. Got my towel and my net. Put those in there, and then we go. So I'm gonna get out there and wasting time. Let's go fishing. I don't know what I got here, but I got something. Something just bit. It might be a herring or a small whitefish, who knows? But I have these little crowds come in. Oh, look at that! My goodness, that's a bruiser. Not what I was looking for. Like, I guess that's what I've been working. Like I said, some big perch. Wow. Here he is. See you later. Yeah. Get that fish, and then the rain comes. See it coming across the south there. So we're gonna get ourselves in.